Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2020 Chevy Silverado. This is the 5.3 liter engine. I don't know if that makes a difference for the cabin filter. But before we get started, this is the cabin filter I'm going to replace it with. I don't know if that helps, even though it says Ford, that's fine. CV11920. So again, you can argue back and forth all you want on which filters to replace, but as long as it's per the manufacturer's specs and you're replacing it as frequently as the manufacturer recommends, I think that's what matters most. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so it's a little bit of a pain, but it's not hard to do. You don't need any tools. So you'll open your glove box, pull everything out. Kind of need two hands for this, but basically you're going to push these little tabs in so that you can clear it. Back in there is your air filter. It has this little piece here. There's two ways. If you can pop that off, that's fine. The other option is to basically just pull it. That pops off. This is just so that you know when you put it back together. Pull this piece off. You could see that piece flipped up if you reach a finger through here. Or rather, just down here. There you go. Basically, I'm just going to pop this. I need two hands, but I'm just going to plug this back in there so that when I put this back on, I can hook it onto here. As you can see, it just has those little latches that hook onto here on both sides. So anyways, go ahead and remove your glove box like that. Get it out of the way so you can get up here to the filter. So you're going to remove your filter cover here, and basically there's just a little tab here. You push in, and then, if you can see, you push in and then pull this up, and then you're able to slide the whole thing to the left, like that. It pops right off. So then you'll be able to pull your filter out real quick. So go ahead and pop it out. You can see mine's really needed it. There's a lot of dirt and gunk in there, so I'm glad I'm replacing it. Compared to your new one, you can see my new one is a little longer. I'm going to see if I can fit it in there. Do pay attention to, there is flow directions. Let's pay attention to when you're pulling this out. I pull it out like this. The flow on that. So make sure that you put the new one back in the correct orientation. So hopefully yours fits in well. You might try a different number than I used on filter. It did fit, but I kind of had to cram it in there, so I don't know what kind of good filtration I'm going to get out of it. So we'll see how it goes. So anyways, just make sure that you reattach this little kind of suspension piece here, hydraulic piece, so that it all goes back together well. So anyways, that's how you replace the cabin filter on a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.